What's up, guys? Look at this day. It's so gorgeous today. There's not a hint of cloud in the sky whatsoever. This after months of gloomy and rainy weather. It finally cleared up. Woo! Spring is here. Spring is here. Today we're going to I'm gonna go to Pike Place Market, go to my favorite Greek gyro spot there. Gyro. Oh man, I was gonna leave earlier, but my truck hit a nail when we went to Tulip Town the other day. And next thing I know, the next morning, one of the back tire is flat. So I pretty much replaced it with a spare tire for now, and then I'm gonna schedule to bring it to the shop sometime this week so they can fix the damn tire. This day is so damn beautiful. Look at this. I was actually very hesitant to go out today because it's a little windy. I mean, although it's sunny, it's also windy and cold or chilly. But look at this, so beautiful. And then you can see all the cherry blossoms, right? Look at that. Woohoo! Such a beautiful day, baby! Here we go, boys and girls. one of those Mercedes. They're cool. Man, look at this dude checking me out. What's up, boss? Checking the homie out. Like my ride? Yeah. Alright, people. We are currently... Where are we? We're here at the Interurban Highway, heading to downtown Seattle. To go somewhere! No, I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna turn left. I'm supposed to go straight. There you go, fellas. There's the view of downtown Seattle, the skyline from here. Pretty cool. Ah, no, there's the you see that Starbucks headquarters? I'm gonna point it out. It's right there on your left there. See it? You see the logo on the top of the tower thing? Yeah. Boeing! Woohoo! Boeing! And there's the Museum of Flight on my right. Yeah, buddy. Look, my son loved it there. Look at that, look at this. I'm gonna slow down. Look at all those planes. Yeah, buddy. Nice, isn't it? Yeah, you'll see the space shuttle inside the building on that left. Yeah, there we're gonna ride through it. This is SoDo, Southern District. SoDo. I used to come here do. There used to be like a. I have this group of group who are my fellow wine aficionados. We used to come here. Well, we came here once for a wine tasting thing. It was fun. That was like my first day living in Seattle. And I came here and did a wine tasting with them. And then we did a few more after that. There it is. There's the Starbucks headquarters. What? Right there. See it? Yeah. Pretty cool, right? Very unassuming. And they even have Amazon Fresh in there. It's pretty cool. Pretty big building. I wonder if I can go inside and just check them out. And we are right by Dianese, Seattle. Maybe, I wonder if I should stop by. I mean, no, I don't really want to spend any money. You know what I mean? There's somebody in there, they're just hanging out right now. The road here is terrible. Shame on you, Seattle. Look at this. Oh, and it's red. See? Downtown ambassadors, what are they doing about it? This is Pioneer Park, this area. Is where all the hipster, well, you know, Seattle, downtown Seattle is pretty much a hipster's paradise. So, but this is probably the hipster rest. Oopsie. Roast. This is where they got it from. I hope there's like to back up, park properly and fast or quickly, you shouldn't try and do it. Oh, it's a grandma. Grandma, come on! Get in there, grandma! Whoa! It's a little crazy in here. It's a little crazy. Ooh, maybe I can park here. Alrighty. Let's take a found a parking spot. A good parking spot. Perfect. This, sir, is perfecto. These guys are vlogging. Let's go find ourselves a Alright. Clams. Here it comes. This is the gyro joint that I like. Let's see, what do I like? Lamb gyro. So it's not a Greek style gyro. Alright, I'm gonna get the Greek style gyro. Hi, can I get the steak gyro? Oh, actually, no, the Greek style.
The Greek style?
Yeah, you.
Lamb or chicken?
Lamb.
Greek style lamb.
Yes, and a can of Coke, please.
Coke?
Yes. Thank you.
Have it right away, Nick.
Alright. Alright, we're just gonna. Very good. There's the Beecher's handmade cheese.
Like that. All right, so
Ashki. I don't know if I should get one for the wife. Let's see. I can't go inside. No. Where's Starbucks? No, it's a long line. It's the market. Attractions here. It's one of the best attractions here in Seattle. Maybe this wall with they actually cleaned it up a little bit. It used to be like this full from used to be. Yeah, awesome. Well, that's it. Oh, I don't. Forgot one. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.